Hello friends, welcome to my channel Scientist Words. I am your friend Ashwin. Today we're gonna talk about AlphaFold structures, revolutionizing protein structure prediction in this video. AlphaFold is a revolutionary artificial intelligence system developed by DeepMind, a subsidiary of Alphabet Inc. It addresses one of the most complex challenges in biochemistry, predicting the three-dimensional structure of proteins from their amino acid sequences. This problem, known as the protein folding problem, has puzzled scientists for decades. AlphaFold's ability to accurately predict these structures has profound implications for understanding biological processes and accelerating drug discovery. Proteins are the workhorses of cells, and their functions are determined by their three-dimensional structures. Traditionally, determining these structures required expensive and time-consuming experimental methods like X-ray crystallography or nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. Computational prediction of protein structures has been a major goal in bioinformatics, but previous methods struggled with accuracy, especially for larger and more complex proteins. AlphaFold employs advanced deep learning techniques, including attention mechanisms, to predict protein structures. It was trained on a database of known protein structures and sequences. The system considers both evolutionary information, which is patterns of amino acid substitutions in related proteins, and physical constraints that govern protein folding. This combination allows AlphaFold to achieve unprecedented accuracy in its predictions. AlphaFold's breakthrough came in the 14th Critical Assessment of Protein Structure Prediction (CAS-14) competition in 2020. It achieved near experimental levels of accuracy, significantly outperforming other computational methods. AlphaFold was able to solve the structures of protein that has eluded scientists for years, demonstrating its potential to accelerate research across various fields of biology and medicine. The impact of AlphaFold on scientific research is profound. It accelerates drug discovery by providing accurate structural information for potential drug targets. This can significantly reduce the time and cost of developing new medications. AlphaFold also enhances our understanding of disease mechanisms by revealing the structures of proteins involved in various pathologies. Additionally, it enables more accurate exploration of protein-protein interactions, which is crucial for understanding cellular processes. In a move towards open science, DeepMind released AlphaFold's code and predictions to the scientific community. They also collaborated with the European Molecular Biology Laboratories European Bioinformatics Institute, which is known as EMBL-EBI, to create a public database of protein structure predictions. This open approach fosters global scientific cooperation and accelerates research across various fields of biology and medicine. While AlphaFold has many significant strides, there are still challenges ahead. Future work aims to improve the predictions of protein complexes and integrate AlphaFold with other areas of structural biology. There are also important ethical considerations to address, such as ensuring equitable access to this technology and managing its impact on traditional experimental methods in structural biology. Here is an interesting fact. AlphaFold can predict protein structures in minutes or hours, a process that previously took months or years of experimental work. The groundbreaking nature of this achievement was recognized when the creators of the AlphaFold was awarded the 2022 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, highlighting the transformative impact of AI in scientific research. Sorry, it was actually 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Thank you for taking your time to explore AlphaFold, revolutionizing protein structure prediction in this video. Through innovation and collaboration, we are uncovering the secrets of protein structures, opening doors to transformative breakthroughs in science and medicine. Your interest and support are vital to advancing this exciting frontier and shaping the future of biology. Together, we can drive meaningful progress. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Thanks again. Bye bye.